Let's move now to Wisconsin, a tight race there, too. We have
the
Gabe
plot
Gutierrez.
has really thickened in Wisconsin, but the margin has narrowed considerably. NBC's Gabe Gutierrez has been watching the votes come in. We were waiting. We went to bed not knowing what was happening in Milwaukee County. Now we've got the results. It says 85% of results in Milwaukee County. Where are you still expecting to see more vote?
Hi there, Savannah. Well, what we're expecting to see right now is the absentee count in Green Bay. That could be pivotal to the state. Now, Savannah, it has been a very long night here in Wisconsin. As you mentioned, in Milwaukee, we were waiting for that absentee count pretty much for the entire night. They had to count thousands of absentee ballots. Hundreds of election workers were scrambling to do so. And it proved favorable to Joe Biden here in Milwaukee and their surrounding suburbs. But Savannah, this has been a state that was not supposed to be this close. President Trump trailed in the polling here for the last several weeks, and several issues loom large in this campaign, chief among them the coronavirus. I'm standing in front of a drive-through testing site here in Milwaukee. Many voters we spoke with over the last several days said that that was the main issue that they were concerned about. Of course, Wisconsin has seen a dramatic surge in COVID cases. About 85% of the COVID hospital beds in this state are full. And yet still, President Trump, a very strong showing here, and that may be perhaps due to the fact that over the last several days, he made a major push here in Wisconsin, Savannah. He went to a place like Kenosha, Wisconsin, which has seen unrest over the last 2 months following the police shooting of Jacob Blake. He pushed a campaign theme here in Wisconsin of law and order, and what we're seeing is he did relatively well in Kenosha, and that may have resonated with some of the voters there. But again, Savannah, we are now awaiting those absentee ballots from Green Bay, Wisconsin, after getting just in the last hour or two the results here in Milwaukee. A very tight race here in Wisconsin as we wait to see those final results. Savannah?